Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove K and M suffixes in Power BI using DAX. This is incredibly useful when you want to display exact numbers in your visuals instead of abbreviated values, giving your reports more precision and clarity. First, open your Power BI desktop application. Once it loads, direct your attention to the right side of the screen where you'll see the data panel. Click on your data source to access the tables and fields you'll be working with. This step ensures you're viewing the correct dataset before creating your custom measure. Now, look at the top of the screen and click on Table Tools. This ribbon contains various options for managing your data tables. From the Table Tools menu, click on New Measure. This action opens up the formula bar where you'll write your DAX expression to format your numbers without those K and M abbreviations. In the formula bar, type the name you want for your measure. After naming it, type equals, format open parentheses, sum open parentheses, sheet 1 open bracket, sales, close bracket, close parentheses, comma 0 close parentheses. Keep in mind that sheet 1 and sales should match the actual name of your data source and column, so adjust these accordingly based on your specific dataset. This DAX formula takes the sum of your sales column and formats it to display as a whole number without any suffix. Once you've typed your formula, hit the Enter key. Power BI will now create this measure and make it available for use in your visuals. You'll see it appear in your fields list, ready to be added to any visualization. Now, input the measure you just created into a visual. For example, you can drag it onto a card visual. The card will now display the full number without the K or M suffix, showing the exact value instead of an approximation. This gives your audience a clearer understanding of the actual figures. You can repeat this process to remove the K suffix from other data fields as well. Simply create a new measure by clicking New Measure again under Table Tools. This time, change the data reference in your DAX formula to target a different column or table, and give this new measure a unique name so you can distinguish it from the first one. Once you've created your second measure, drag it to another visual on your report canvas. You'll see the same effect, the numbers displayed in full without any abbreviation. This method works consistently across different visuals and datasets, allowing you to maintain precision throughout your entire Power BI report. And that's it. You've successfully removed K and M suffixes from your Power BI visuals using DAX measures. This technique ensures your data is presented exactly as you need it, without any automatic formatting that might obscure the true values. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.